What's growing on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening here. Today I'm going to share with you how you check in on your geraniums, what you need to look for, and how you soak them as well. So, first of all, you want to be sure and just take a look at each geranium. What you'll first look for is the roots. Make sure there are no black ones or moldy ones, mushy ones. As you can see here, they look pretty good. The next thing you want to be able to look for is the stems. You want to make sure that none of these are shriveling up or mushy. You want them all to still be firm. As you can see, this geranium is still in pretty good shape. Even though most of its leaves are dying back, that is completely normal, and it will sprout new leaves when it starts getting warmer in the spring. So we can set that one aside. And then next, we can grab this is a regal geranium. Again, we'll do the same thing. Just take a look at the roots and take a look at the stems. As you can see here, this one's a little bit worse for wear. The stems are actually starting to shrivel. So that is a key sign that I need to soak this before it actually starts dying back. Now this woodier material, that will be perfectly fine. So I will now get to showing you how to soak these geraniums. So what you do is very simple. All you do is take a bucket or a container, fill it with some water, and then just simply take your geraniums and set them inside of it. It's as simple as that. And then what you do is just let them soak for a good half hour all the way up to an hour. And then you want to make sure you dry them out before you put them back in the container, whatever it is, your box or paper bag. Either works perfectly fine. But just make sure the roots are mostly submerged in the water, and then I'll come back and show you what to do after they are done soaking. So now that they've been soaking for between 30 minutes and an hour, whatever you choose depending on how dry or shriveled up your stems may be, what you'll do now is simply take out each geranium. Don't worry if some of the leaves fall off, that's going to be perfectly normal, especially as this dries out. What you do is just shake off the roots and set that to the side. Wait for these to dry out a little bit for at least half an hour to an hour before you go ahead and put them in your box. And then do the same with this one here. Just go ahead and shake it off. Make sure all the roots got sufficiently doinked in the water, just so we can ensure its survivability. So what I'll be doing is just putting them back inside my box here, and for demonstration purposes, just set them back in. Preferably put them in upside down like that, and then I'll just go ahead and put the second one in and stick it in there like that. So I hope you liked this video and really got something out of it. If you did, boop that like button and subscribe to see future updates on these geraniums. Also, I have other plants overwintering, such as my calla bulbs and dahlia bulbs, along with hibiscus plants and jalapenos. So definitely subscribe if you want to see the journey of those plants as well.